Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will see how to log the Auto Allocate stock option in a packing slip entry. Let's first understand the default behavior. Select the customer, search for and select the required sales order. Once the sales order is retrieved, you can either scan the item code or use the Auto Allocate stock option. This option allows you to allocate the total quantity of the sales order. To log this option, open the configuration window and navigate to the Other Options section. Here, you will find the option labeled Log Auto Allocate Stock. Enable this option and save the configuration changes. Now, initiate a new packing slip entry, select the customer, and retrieve the required sales order. As you can see, the Auto Allocate Stock option is now locked. You can now allocate the stock from the sales order only by scanning the item code.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.